Hey guys! So today I'm opening up my Listen Flavor Fukubukuro. I opened up one from last year, so you guys would like to check it out. I will put it in the info, which is on this side. So I'm not going to explain what a Fukubukuro is or a lucky bag is because I'm assuming that most of you probably already know. I ordered mine through Tokyo Otaku Mode. I think I did the same last year, but I might have ordered it from CD Japan. I'm not sure. So here is the giant torso-sized box once again. I ordered this the day pre-orders were available, and I was expecting it to ship on January 1st because that's when they're released. But mine actually shipped on like December 22nd or something ridiculous like that, and got to my apartment before I did. So I had to put my mail on hold and have them like hold it for me. And I was finally able to pick it up today. I had to go to the post office twice though. It was a bit of a mess. All right, a final slice. If I can use my scissors. Ooh. Oh yeah, the bag is purple this year. Last year it was pink. Alright. So, oh my gosh, this is so cute. This is Tokyo Otaku Mode always sends a little like folder, clear file. So this cost me $107.99 in USD, and shipping was $41.35. So total I paid $149.34 for this bag. Oh my god. I'm so excited for this. Oh, interesting. There's just like a random sticker. Okay, let's get moving. Wow. Wow. So what I know so far, feels like it has a lot in it. I think it was supposed to have 6 items, 3 of which that they let you know ahead of time what they were, and then 3 that were mystery. Either 3 or 2 that were a mystery. Now, I did order a lucky bag from Listen Flavor last year, and last year I was given a size option, but I'm not sure about how legit that was because I think a lot of Listen Flavor's clothes might be one size. I don't know, but I didn't get the option this year. It just was only available in one size, so I'm not sure about how the sizing or how it's gonna fit me. A lot of their clothing is like oversized though, so I think it'll fit me well. Like the shirt I'm wearing today is one of their oversized pieces. Yeah, it doesn't specify size on the tag, and the tag is labeled as it's worth being 10,000 yen. So let's unclip it. Oh, I am excited. I like the bag this year. I liked the bag last year too, but ooh, okay. So before I open it, I should say what I want. I really don't want any bottoms because I don't think they'll fit me well, and their style of bottoms tends to be a bit too edgy for me. I really like their shirts though. Like I said last year, some of them are pastel cutesy stuff, kind of like this. Okay, no, we're really done. Let's go. Okay, it's looking like I might have gotten what I wanted. Let's start with the first thing I see. I don't remember what were the things that they told you ahead of time that you were gonna get, because I have a feeling that there was one of them that I was feeling kind of iffy about, and it might have been this one. But this looks like it's a hoodie. Its listed value is 7,900 yen, so that's around $79. So like the price of this could be the bulk price of the bag. It says it's size F. I don't know quite what that's supposed to mean, but it definitely looks like it'll fit me. And I wonder, oh, I got one of their hoodies last year and they're fantastic. They have these awesome pockets on the side. It's not like a main hoodie pocket, and I really like that. So the design is passion and cruelty, carpe diem, which I kind of like. This is kind of fun actually. I don't know, I feel like I could wear this with a pair of jeans and I could feel cool. I don't know if I'm cool enough to wear this, but I could feel cool. Alright, next one we have is lavender. Oh, okay, this is one of the ones that they said was going to be in here no matter what. And this is a long sleeve shirt. Oh yeah, this is gonna fit me just fine. So it has this little devil bunny on it, but it's a little devil bunny, very cute. I love this. I love the color. I'll definitely be able to wear this. And this was valued at 6,900 yen, so around, I guess maybe like $65. So that's cute. I like that one. All right, let's go for the pink thing. Yes, this is the other one that I knew I was getting, which is the Poison Apple shirt. I think this one is a t-shirt, and I got it in pink, which is nice. I think this is my preferred color for this shirt. Has a piece of paper. Poison Apple, Bite Me, flavor. Oh, cute, like Listen Flavor. I really like this. I think I'm gonna end up using this as a sleep shirt because it is so oversized. This is huge. it doesn't have a size listed again. And this one is listed at being worth 4,900 yen, so that's around $45. So I've already, of course, made more than what the bag is worth, and we have 2 more things, so let's go. Oh my gosh, okay, this is interesting. Listen Flavor is known for doing collabs with different shows and either animes or like pop culture things, and they did a Powerpuff Girls collab, and so one of my items is a hoodie from that collab. It is that deep purple color with the Powerpuff Girls. This is actually really cute. I wasn't super sure. I was never like super into the Powerpuff Girls as a kid. I liked them, but this is actually really cute. I'm not sure about the purple color though. I'll have to decide if I want to keep it. And this was listed at 6,900 yen. All right, we have one more item. I'm hoping it's not pants. What is this? Oh, so this is a plaid pleated skirt. This is actually cute, and I think it might fit me. It's labeled as being a size large. Thank the Lord that I got a size large. And this is labeled as being 7,900 yen. So this is the most expensive piece out of all of them. And it is just your typical sort of pleated plaid skirt. I think I might need to iron it out a bit, but that's kind of cool. And I'm feeling confident in its ability to fit me. So those are all the items I got in this year's Listen Flavor Lucky Pack. Did you guys buy any Lucky Packs this year? I actually tried. I tried to buy the Esther Loves You WC bag and I failed. And then I also tried to buy the Lazy Oaf Lucky Bag and I failed both times despite staying up till 12 a.m. and 3 a.m. respectively. But as you guys know, I really love Lucky Bags, Fukubukuro. They're very exciting things for me. This is the only one I really got this year, if you don't count the Bando goodie bag, which like kind of counts, I guess. It's like an American version. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you got any super cool stuff, feel free to let me know. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to give it a like or subscribe if you would like to see more, because I assure you, I'm gonna do Lucky Bag unboxes until the day I die. I love Lucky Bags so much. Alright, thank you guys all so much for watching, and I will see you all next time. Bye bye!